Sophie, and today I'm just going to show you what I have now. A mystery box full of fidget toys, and I'm going to rate them. So yeah. Okay, so first thing is this. Oh, it's so nice. It's squishy, it's green. I like the green color. So I'm going to rate it. It's kind of dirty actually, but I'm just gonna rate it a 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Second, it's this. I don't know what it's called, but it's just a fidget toys. And look. Wow. 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 And it's nice. It's so cute. You know, you can put in the bag. You know, you can show to all your friends. They might steal it. Who knows? But 9 out of 10 for sure. Ding! That's so weird. But third, it's this. A dimple. Cool. But the thing that I don't like is this part. It's too noisy and like it hurts actually. Like you put your finger here, or if you put it like this. Wait, I'm scared. This hurts. So, but this side I like when it's so soft. This part no. Anyways, I'm going to rate it a 8 out of 10. The fourth thing is this. Snaky. Oops, but I can put it back together. So it's okay. It's perfectly fine. Just I cannot. I can. It's an 9 out of 10. I love this. It's purple, nice. This is very old. Like I bought it like a year ago, more than a year ago, and it's still surviving. Thank the fidget toys God, Lord of the fidget toys. Next thing is the puppet. Of course, I will have a puppet. Come on. Oh, so nice. It's shaped like Mickey Mouse. It's shaped like Mickey Mouse, and I like it. I want to sleep now.
Meanwhile,
sounds like farts. Sounds like farts. Anyways, I'm going to rate this a 10 out of 10 for sure. Next is a mochi. 10 out of 10. Look how cute it is. It's just like cute. This video is going to be too long if I do all of my fidget toys. So I'm just going to do a part 2. But anyways, I have just 3 more left. So for this part, yeah. 7th fidget toy is this. Homemade actually. It's so nice. Like my dog is barking. It's so nice. I forgot what I put in this. Maybe Play-Doh, but like no, because it's too soft for that. Like it's just so soft. I'm going to rate it a 10 out of 10. I love it. Next, the 8th is this. I don't really like it actually. It's 5 out of 10. Also a homemade fidget toy, but I don't like it. Now the 9th fidget toy is this. Another homemade. Yeah. It's hot water. Look, hear it. It's just... It just popped. It died. I'm back. And I have to clean it.
Since that died,
I am going to show you that. Girl, what? What it has on me? What did you have? Ew. But anyway, it's not. Oh, I forgot to rate the other one fidget out, the other fidget out of 10. 0. Because I hate you. Anyways, this one, 10 out of 10. Bye, girl. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to wrap up this video and I'm going to post it on YouTube. And if you like this video, smash the like button, smash the YouTube subscribe button, and push all the notifications on so you all can see all of my videos. Anyways, bye, guys!
what I've done simply